Hi, my viewer. Welcome to this lesson where we are going to learn about two-letter words. We're going to start by looking at the vowels. These are the vowels. We have vowel A, vowel E, vowel E, O, A. A, E, O, A. We also have the other letters of the alphabet here. When we have removed the vowels, we remain with the consonants. So these are the consonants. So we have B, K, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, K, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. So these are the consonants. Now to our two-letter words, and we have mixed them with some simple three-letter words. We have used vowel A and other consonants to come up with the words. We're going to read the first one. That is A, N, A, N. So this is vowel A put together with consonant N. So A, N, A, N, an. A, T, A, T, at. A, A, as. A, M, A, M, am. Ask, ask, ask. And, and. We also have vowel E, g, 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 makes the word egg. And makes the word end. Elf, elf, makes the word elf. We go to vowel E. Vowel E, we have our first word, that is in. In makes the word in. Eat, eat makes the word eat. Is, makes the word is. If makes the word if. In, it, is, if. So easy, so simple to read the two-letter words and the three-letter words. We go to vowel A. We have A, P, that is up. A, S makes the word as. A, N makes the word an. So we have up, as, an. Thank you so much for listening. See you in the next lesson where we are going to learn about the three-letter words. Goodbye.